So here is a schedule of two or more commodities. So we are taking good X as Maggi and good Y as a Good Day biscuit. So we are taking price of Maggi as 10, 10, 10, 10 and price of Good Day we are fixing 5 rupees. So as I am consuming unit 1, the marginal utility of good X is 100. It means that we are purchasing Maggi of rupees 10 rupees and we are getting satisfaction at 100 level. When we are taking second unit of Maggi, it is giving us 90 satisfaction, then 80. As law of diminishing marginal utility tells about that as we are consuming 1 to 2 to 3 4 commodities, our satisfaction level is going down. As again we are taking good Y as Good Day and we are fixing the price of Good Day biscuit as 5 rupees and we are getting satisfaction from Good Day biscuit while consuming unit 1 is 35 and consecutively it is decreasing. As you can see, here is law of diminishing marginal utility has applied. What is the formula in case of two or more commodities of consumer equilibrium? Is MUX upon PX is equals to MUY upon PY is equals to MUM. MUM is we are fixing income is 60 rupees. As our MUM is rupees 60 and we will not go up and we will not go down. We have fixed rupees 60. So we have to consume all over our money by spending on two goods. So here when we are consuming 1 unit of Maggi, we are getting 100 level of satisfaction. As I have cleared you all that MUX about, and now come to the MUX upon PX. MUX is 100 upon PX 10 is equals to 10 and when we divide 90 by 10 9, 80 by 10 8, 70 by 10 7, 60 by 10 6, 5 by 10 5. So when we are coming to Good Day biscuit, our satisfaction is 35 and then while consuming second unit satisfaction is decreasing. So 35 by 5 is equals to 7, 30 by 5 is 6, so 25 by 5 5 and consecutively we divide all these units. So what we are seeing here that at the unit 7 MUX by PX is 7 and when we are consuming Good Day biscuit at the unit 1 MUY upon PY is 7. So we have to see that when our satisfaction is matching. As we are taking two commodities Maggi and Good Day where we are getting equal level of satisfaction. So here are 7 7, 6 6 and 5 5. Now in broad way we can say that at how can we know that our satisfaction is at equilibrium at which point? As we can find out this 765 here and 765 here at the same time. So how can we fix that this is the level of our satisfaction or this one is our level of satisfaction? How? It is based on income. According to income we can find out that our whole money is consuming, our whole money we are consuming. So what is the formula of income? It is equals to quantity into price of commodity 1 plus quantity into price of commodity 2. As our income is fixed and we are consuming two goods and we are spending on these two goods, so we have to consume our income at fullest. So we can find out income as quantity into price. As we are taking two or more commodities, So quantity and price of commodity 1 plus quantity and price of commodity 2. So at quantity we are taking 4 unit of Maggi, and what is the price of commodity of Maggi is 10 plus 1 commodity of Good Day biscuit, and at the price of 5, so it will come as 40 plus 5 is equals to 45, but our income we are spending is 60. And now second is at unit 5th we are taking 5 unit of Maggi with the price of 10, and we are taking 2 unit of Good Day with the price of 5, as 50 plus 10 is equals to 60. As you can see that we are spending our whole money onto 2 products, that is 60. So we can also find out that at 6 unit what is happening, our spending is more. We are spending at 6th unit we are spending more money. So as 6 unit of Maggi with the price of 10, 60, and 3 unit of Good Day with the price of 5 is equals to 15. So we are spending more on 2 commodities, 75, but our income is fixed as 60. So we will come to the second equation, that is at 5th unit. So consuming 2nd unit of Good Day, we are getting same satisfaction. So what we can see here, when we are eating 5 unit of Maggi with the same 2nd unit of Good Day biscuit, we are getting equal satisfaction. So here we can understand that at the case of 2 commodities, we can say that we will substitute or sacrifice 1 unit of any commodity. At the same time, we will increase the second commodity consumption for the sake of achieving equal satisfaction level. So I hope you got the clear meaning of consumer equilibrium in case of 2 or more commodities. Thank you.